Welcome to Learn English Wisely. My name is Alex, and today we are going to practice something very useful. We are going to learn how to order coffee in English. Maybe you travel to another country. Maybe you go to an international coffee shop in your city. Or maybe you just want to speak English better in everyday life. This lesson is for you. Today, you will hear real dialogues, you will learn new words, and at the end, you will practice speaking yourself. So, stay with me until the end. Let us start.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hello, one coffee, please.
Sure, what size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Of course. Is that to drink here or to take away?
To take away, please.
No problem. Can I get your name?
My name is Anna.
Great. That will be $3.50, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your coffee will be ready in a moment.
Thank you very much.
That was Dialogue 1. Very simple, very natural. Let us look at some key phrases from this dialogue. What can I get for you? This is what the barista says to start. It means, what do you want? You will hear this a lot. One coffee, please. This is the most simple way to order. You say the number, then the drink, then please. One coffee, please. 2 teas, please. Easy. To drink here or to take away. The barista is asking if you want to sit in the cafe or take your drink outside. You just say, to drink here or to take away. Simple. Can I get your name? Many coffee shops ask for your name. This is so they can call you when your drink is ready. Just say your name. No need for anything else. Now let us try something a little more difficult. This is A2 level. The customer does not know what to order, so she asks questions.
Hi there, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I am not sure. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. What is a flat white?
A flat white is like a small latte. It has espresso and a little bit of milk. It is quite strong.
I see. And is it hot or cold?
It is hot, but if you want a cold drink, we also have iced coffee.
I think I will have a flat white, please.
Great choice. What size?
Small, please.
Do you want any sugar?
No, thank you.
Perfect. And is that to drink here?
Yes, to drink here.
Lovely. That will be $4, please.
Here you go. Can I have a receipt, please?
Of course. Here is your receipt. We will call your name when your drink is ready.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
Good. That was Dialogue 2. The customer did not know what to order. That is fine. It is completely normal to ask questions in a coffee shop. Nobody will be angry. The barista is happy to help. Let us look at 2 important phrases from this dialogue. I am not sure. This is a very useful phrase. It means you do not know yet. You can say, I am not sure. Can I see the menu, please? This is very polite. What is a flat white? If you do not know a drink, just ask. Say, what is that? Or, what is a flat white? People are always happy to explain. I think I will have... This is a nice way to make your choice. It sounds natural and polite. I think I will have a flat white, please. Now, let us listen to a longer and more natural dialogue. This is still A2 level, but it sounds more like a real conversation. Listen for the friendly language.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I am good, thank you. A little tired.
I know the feeling. Coffee will help. What can I get for you?
I would like a large latte, please, with oat milk, if you have it.
Yes, we do. 1 large oat milk latte. Would you like any flavor? We have vanilla and caramel today.
Oh, a caramel sounds nice. Can I have caramel, please?
Of course. And is that hot or iced?
Hot, please. It is very cold outside today.
Yes, it is. Anything else? Can I get you something to eat?
Actually, yes. Do you have anything without meat?
We have a cheese sandwich and a banana muffin.
I will take the banana muffin, please.
Great. So that is 1 large hot oat milk latte with caramel and 1 banana muffin.
Yes, that is right.
Can I get your name?
It is Marco.
Perfect, Marco. That comes to $6.80, please.
Here is $7.
And 20 cents is your change. Thank you.
Thank you. See you tomorrow, probably.
See you tomorrow. Enjoy your morning.
That was a great dialogue. It was friendly and natural. You heard some very useful phrases there. I would like. This is a polite way to order, more polite than just saying, I want. Try to use I would like when you order. It sounds very natural. If you have it, this is a nice phrase. You are asking, but you are also being polite. You are saying, I want this, but it is okay if you do not have it. Very useful. Anything else? The barista often asks this. It means, do you want something more? You can say, no, that is all, thank you. Or you can add something to your order. Do you have anything without meat? This is a simple and clear way to ask about food. You can also say, do you have anything without dairy? Or do you have anything for someone who does not eat meat? Now let us collect the best phrases from today. You can use all of these the next time you go to a coffee shop. To order, 1 coffee, please. I would like a large latte, please. Can I have a medium cappuccino, please? To ask questions. Can I see the menu, please? What is a flat white? Do you have oat milk? Do you have anything without meat? To answer the barista. To take away, please. To drink here, please. Hot, please. Iced, please. No sugar, thank you. My name is Anna. To be polite, thank you very much. Thank you so much. You are welcome. These phrases are simple, they are short, and they work in any coffee shop in the world. Let us now look at some mistakes that learners often make. Do not worry, these are very common. We just want to help you sound more natural. Mistake number 1, saying, I want coffee. This is not wrong, but it sounds a little direct. It is better to say, I would like a coffee, please. Or, can I have a coffee, please? Adding please always helps. Mistake number 2, forgetting to say the size. When the barista asks, what size, some learners say normal. But in English, we say small, medium, or large, not normal. Mistake number 3, saying, I take away. The correct phrase is to take away, please, or to go, please. Remember to use to before take away. Mistake number 4, not knowing how to ask for help. Some learners feel shy when they do not understand something, but it is completely fine to say, sorry, can you say that again, please? Or, I am sorry, I do not understand, can you repeat that? People will always help you. Now it is your turn. I will give you a situation, pause the video, try to say the answer out loud, then press play to hear the correct answer. Ready? Let us go. Situation 1. You walk into a coffee shop. The barista looks at you and smiles. What do you say first? Pause the video and try. You can say, hello, I would like a coffee, please. Or, good morning, can I have a large latte, please? Very good. Situation 2. The barista asks, is that to drink here or to take away? You want to sit in the cafe. What do you say? You say, to drink here, please. Simple and clear. Situation 3. You look at the menu and you do not know what a cortado is. What do you say to the barista? Pause the video and try. You can say, sorry, what is a cortado? Or, can you tell me what a cortado is, please? Perfect. Situation 4. The barista asks, anything else? You do not want anything more. What do you say? You can say, no thank you, that is all. Or, no, that is everything, thank you. Great job! You did very well today. You learned important vocabulary. You listened to 3 real dialogues. You practiced speaking. And now you are ready to order coffee in English anywhere in the world. Remember, the most important thing is to try. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward. Baristas are friendly people. They will always help you. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more lessons like this, subscribe to Learn English Wisely. We have new videos every week to help you speak English with more confidence. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep going. You are doing great.